Welcome back, boys and girls. Today we're doing arms, so let's just get right into it. We're going to start with bicep curls, 40 pounds. Alright, here we go with bicep curls.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Sit at the time. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You can get you with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not test, or I'll come out desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand.
Alright, so we're going to take a little break, do another set of that, then we'll probably move on. I'm slowly increasing my weight. I went from 130 to 135, now I'm at 140, so it's climbing. Arms are starting to get bigger. Just hit 14-inch biceps. Doing good. Currently bulking, so that's why there's not as much definition in my arms. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos and the new equipment as much as I am. Alright, let's get into set 2. That's 2. Alright, there we go. Set 2 done. Now we're going to move on to 20-pound seated curls. Let's get right into it. Alright, here we go. Set 1. Wow. Alright, that's it for that arm. Holy. On to the next arm. Oh my god. Wow. Alright. That's probably it for that. We're just gonna do a couple sets of skull crushers now. Or you know what? No. We'll use the 20-pound dumbbell and go like that, which is still a skull crusher, but let's get right into it. Alright, here we go with skull crushers. Alright, that's it for that. Now, we're just gonna do like 2 sets of weighted dips, 40 pounds. Let's get right to it. Alright, here we go. Alright, set 1 done. We'll do 1 more set of that, and then that'll be it. If you guys have made it this far in the video, make sure to comment Goat Gang in the comments so I know you made it this far. Also, thank you for all the support. I really appreciate it. On the road to 2K subs. It's coming soon. Alright, let's get into set 2. Alright, let's do a little bit of flexing and then we'll end it. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Comment Goat Gang if you made it this far. Till next time. Peace.